So this is just a very quick lesson on how to get information out of our big Google Doc spreadsheet. So if you're interested in, let's pretend 7SC, you're interested in their heights. Okay, what you would do is find the homeroom, 7SC. You can see it goes down a little bit. So I'm going to click on the top number of height, hold down Shift, hold it down, and then scroll down until I'm at the bottom of its 7CT. So I can see 155 is the last value. I click on that and you can see a box goes around all of them. It highlights them. So do Command C and copy, and then open yourself up an Excel document. And you can, if you've got one already open, like I had there, I've just added at the bottom, you can just add more sheets. So I'm going to say this is CT and it's height. And then you can keep track of what you're doing. So once you've done that, I'm going to do just click up here, Command V, and it pastes. Now you can see this sort of got a gap in here, which is not very nice. So what you can do is you can actually sort this so it goes smallest to biggest. So if you right click, you can do sort, and then you can do ascending. And you can see that what's happened is you've ended up with it sorting so it's gone smallest to biggest, which makes life much easier. Okay, so now you can do all the different things that you've learnt in previous videos. So you could find your mean, your median, your mode. You could go online to the histogram site. You could create a histogram. If you wanted to create something like a dot plot, you could do that. It's probably a bit awkward with this data, but this would not be something you'd do a pie chart or a bar chart for, because this is numerical. Okay, so you wouldn't do that. You would do categorical data for a pie chart. So again, if you wanted to get some categorical data out of your spreadsheet, you would just go, same thing, say it's 7CT, say it's how long they take to get to school. Click on the top one, go down to the bottom one. I'm holding Shift down, and then when I click on the last one, it highlights it all. Command C, and then go into Excel, and I could put that here if I wanted to. Okay, move that over a bit. And again, you can see it's not sorted nicely. So right click, and you can do sort ascending if you want, and then you can see much more easily. And also, if you're doing it like this and you want to count how many instances there are maybe for each thing, so maybe you want to know, okay, 10 to 20 minutes, how many people is that? Well, you can be lazy. You can actually highlight it and go down to this middle section here and click on count, and it'll come up automatically. See, there's 4. So I can see there's 4 people who are 10 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30. I'm just going to highlight that. So you can see, there are 5 of those. So you can really get a very quick summary. 30 to 40, I can see just by looking at that, there's 3 of them. Less than 10, I can see there are 5 of those by looking at the count down there. So it's really easy to get a summary. And the last one, more than 40, boom, highlight those, and I can see there's 6 of those. So that's a really good way of using data to then create graphs like pie charts and bar charts. If you're not sure, check out that video, it shows you how. But that's the way you get your data out of the spreadsheet, and then just make sure you save and keep track of what the different things are that you're researching.